Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Make sure to pause the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. To do so, all you have to do is go to your main homepage for the profile, which is going to be on the bottom right where you see your own icon. From here, once you go there, all you have to do is go to the top right section for the three dots, and then in the search box, you're going to search for deletion or activation, which is going to be right here. Once you click on it, it's going to redirect to this page where you're going to select whatever account that you want to fully delete. So for example, this one, you can choose either deactivate or fully delete the account permanently. Once you click continue, it will ask you to type in your password, and then from there you're done. Now, in case you have forgotten your password and it asks you for it, then I would suggest for you to go back, and then from there you can just forgot password and then log out, and then from there you can use whatever recovery method such as your phone number or your email address for you to recover that, and then from there you can go back, repeat the same steps, and then fully delete your account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.